case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a landmark decision, the United States Supreme Court addressed the constitutionality of New York's murder statute in Patterson v. New York. Facing conviction for shooting his wife's lover, John Northrup, the accused, Gordon Patterson Jr., raised an affirmative defense of extreme emotional disturbance, a defense unique to New York law. The key question at hand was whether the burden of proving this defense should rest on the defendant or the state. While an accused person traditionally enjoys the presumption of innocence, with the state responsible for proving guilt, the situation becomes more complex when an affirmative defense is raised. In this 1977 case, the Supreme Court clarified that the state cannot shift the burden of proof for the primary elements of a crime onto the defendant. However, they may require the defendant to prove any affirmative defenses they choose to raise. Applying this principle to Patterson, he was required to prove his defense of extreme emotional disturbance, which was ultimately rejected by the jury. In the absence of any presumption or implication against Patterson, his conviction was upheld, and the New York Court of Appeals judgment affirmed. This consequential ruling established a clear distinction between the burden of proof for elements of a crime and that for any affirmative defenses raised by the defendant.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.